Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the latest version of Viusasa. So if you want to get the latest version, all you need to do is to update your current Viusasa app. To do so, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. To update this app, all you need to do is to go ahead and search for your app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and search for this app through Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and look for Play Store and then search for the app through Google Play Store like this. And you can see our app is here. Now, if you look at this current Viusasa app that I'm using, you can see we have an update that is available. Now, this means I've been using an outdated version of Viusasa app. To update it, go ahead and just tap on Update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Viusasa app and then install it on your smartphone. And now from here, you will have an up-to-date version of Viusasa app. Go ahead and open it to start using it. So that's how you can get the latest version of Viusasa app that is up to date without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.